Welcome to All About. Today we're going to take a look at G09, a very bright, fun-loving green. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, nib replacements, and the ink refills. Thanks. We're going to start with G09. So we're going to build a fence and then flick away from it, then G07. And look at the speed that I'm using G05. It's a little bit slower. The more ink you deposit into the paper, the better the blend is going to be. And I'm going to be underpainting with B34. This is G09, G07, and then, oh no, wait, I think that was G05 already. Oops. Okay, so we're going to underpaint now with B34. This is G09. This is for the bonus combination. This is YG17. This is going to give a little bit more of an organic look to this blend. And lighter at the end. The staining test, G09, very concentrated, very saturated color. Not sure if it's going to move. For the Prismacolor pencil, I found grass green, and it is perfect for G09. You could match it with G07 and G05. You just have to go only one layer instead of 2, 3, 4 layers. This is G09. We are going to be coloring each one of these wings differently. This is the natural family combination without underpainting. This is G07. It was G05. And we're finishing the blend with G05. They blend very well. G09, G07, G05. They're separated by 1 or 2 numbers and they do very, very well. This is underpainted. When you underpaint, in this case with B34, you have to make sure that your darkest color, G09, is going to cover it all. And this is G09 again. This is for the bonus combination. YG17 and YG13. It blends very well too. This is underpainted, B34. And then we need to make sure G09 is on top of B34 and it completely covers it. That was YG17 and this is YG13. If you can look at the staining test, it's not moving. That's not going to move. So recommendation is don't make a mistake with G09. So this is the natural family combination. We use G09, G07, and G05. We're going to underpaint with B34. Bonus combination is G09, YG17, and YG13. In the description box, you will find links to our website, violetaink.com, and you will notice that there are some items that are out of stock, but we do keep checking every time our distributor has new Copic sketch or refills. We make sure that we're some of the first ones to place those orders. So if they're in the US, we will have them. Also, there'll be a link for the undercover series where you can see more combinations. A couple of projects where this combination was used in Vanilla Arts. You will also find a link to download the template that I used to show you all the All About videos. And I would love if you were to download it, make some of your favorite combinations, and when you post it in your social media, tag us so we can see it. All our social media links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.